What's up, guys? Do you have a Ram truck? This is a 2003 2500 with a NV5600 manual transmission, 6-speed manual. And this is what I see to be online a common problem with your shifter lever not aligning straight. You can see how these numbers are to the side, almost upside down, whatever. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix this. First of all, we need to get this plastic cover off. I've already taken off these little, well, this plastic tray here, and then there are a couple overlays like that fit in these cup holders right here, and then there's one right here. After you get those removed, there is a 8mm bolt down there, one in there, and then one in this cup holder. Go ahead and take those out so we can lift off this plastic piece and expose the shifter here. So here is the shaft for the shifter. You can see this part right here. Now this, we are going to get a 19mm and we are going to turn and tighten this. Now, I would not recommend this and doing this unless you have a crush washer right there. This bottom washer is what comes on this stock from Dodge. But what I did is I unscrewed this whole shaft off. I unscrewed it, and then I got a oil drain pan washer. The size that fit is actually a common Honda oil drain plug crush washer, so it's right on top of the regular Dodge washer. So what I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to crush this shaft to where it is going to make these numbers, you know, correct. So I wouldn't recommend this if you only have that Dodge washer, because you probably will either strip the threads out or ruin the washer or ruin your shaft. So this is what I would do. First, take this off and get yourself a Honda oil drain pan washer because it fits perfectly. Once you do that, we can get our trusty 19mm, and we are going to, well, first of all, you need to make sure that everything is tight. This is very, very tight. So I know that is screwed on there all the way. Now we can get our 19mm and put it around this right there. See that? That fits on there perfectly. Now, well, we're just gonna turn it until it turns when we need it. Now this is pretty difficult, so it's going to require some muscle, because this is going to really crush that crush washer. So I'm going to give it some muscle, give it some good tugs, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, guys, look at that. It is straight on there. Now you really have to tug it. As I said, I would not suggest doing this without an actual crush washer on there. So I will provide that part number in the description, and there you go. This is nice and tight on there. It's not going to budge and move around and shift, you know, your knob will not shift around, even though it will be shifting, but it will be shifting both vertically correct. So there you go. Just give me a thumbs up. And just like that, our shift knob is perfectly straight. Again, all this is about 5 minutes of your time. Get it nice and tight wherever you want it, and now this is not moving. This is not budging. It's good to go. All right, guys, if this helped you out in any way, got your shifter looking perfect, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.